No, they don't get taste.
Shower kere no aye ni.
They don't get taste.
See them, see the leg of that one.
See that one. See that one. Yeah.
Good girl gone bad, good boy gone bad. Oh Lord, have mercy. But we for many agba, but we for many agba.
Because I pity his life. See the way he's doing.
Don't dare pity anybody.
My neighbor,
Yeah, don't say I should not pity anybody.
Don't pity anybody. Leave them. Like that's their life.
Their mother have been trying to survive. Okay. See the way they are doing now.
I see.
My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor and I. Neighbor and I. Igi gogoro ma gumi lójú àtòkèrè láti wò. Má ṣe gbára lé wọn, má ṣe gbẹ́kẹ̀lé wọn. Wọ́n fojú jagun tán, ìkòkò mà ni wọ́n. Wọ́n fojú jagun tán, ẹkùn mà ni wọ́n. Jẹ́jẹ́ ló láyé rọra ṣayé. The way you lay your bed, you lie on me.
Your papa.
Waka!
You are a motherfucker. See this one.
Fuck you too. Fuck you too.
Imagine.
But we for many agba. Ọmọ tá a kọ́ tí kò gbẹ̀kọ́.
Yeah.
Ló gbé ta kọ́ta. My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor and I. My neighbor and I. Ooh, my neighbor and I. Neighbor and I. Ooh, neighbor and I. Neighbor and I. Neighbor and I. Neighbor and I. Ooh. Spike in the mix.
Irú kí gbogbo eléyìí ẹ̀yẹ tomato wọn ní school ẹ̀ tomato wọn bí ẹ wá kọ́ ọmọ kọ́ mi báyìí irú fẹ́ dàbò yóò lélẹ̀ mí ní gbà mí ní gbà rẹ̀ là á jẹ́ mi ní gbà ọjà owó wọn lọ ọba yẹn wá sọ fún mi ṣé bàbá tẹ̀mí ní mọ́tò ó tó tí bàbá tẹ̀mí ní mọ́tò àbúrò ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ jáde bàbá yẹn wá sọ fún mi ìgbà tí bàbá mi fẹ́ kú mi ta ogún mọ́tò ṣé bàbá tẹ̀mí mọ́tò.
And you can lie.
Sí ẹ̀sùn abọ́ àjọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn òwú olè jẹ́ jọ́gbọ́ tí bàbá mi ọ̀rọ̀ tó dùn mí tí bàbá mi ní rẹ̀.
Good afternoon, sir.
Don't go polish, don't go shine. Kílẹ̀dá ìdí ẹ̀yin wá bí báyìí wọ́n kó àwọn yòókù yìí lọ ṣẹ́yẹ̀ òkè ṣolóṣo ṣẹ́yẹ̀ òkè ṣolóṣo.
You are now olóòṣù.
You are now olóòṣù.
Yes.
Àbí ẹ má wọlé. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè sọ o. Ẹyin lè fa. Wá. Tí ẹ ṣùgbọ́n lọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Nígbà tí a máa bèrè owó wọn. Kí ló lè ní kọ́tà ní òkòkòkò tó yìí? Wá ẹ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́kọ́ ń bì lò. Kòkòkò tó yìí. Èmi ò bèrè láwọn ìgbà tí mi ò máa. Orí ẹ̀ ti dàrú.
Ṣé àná pọ̀ jù sọ́dà?
Ẹ̀yin ká ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ kó yàjẹ́ yìí o.
Sorry, sir.
Má wọlé.
Hello, Alpha now.
Boy, we dey get you.
Bad guy. When you are there?
We don't get come put this gate for us.
My gate? Oh, shit. Now go see me now.
ayé ni lẹ́nu. Gbogbo ayé ni. This place looks so beautiful.
That's not good, you bad.
Oh my God, there's food here.
Position.
Ìwọ wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Oya, jẹ́ ká wà báyìí. Jẹ́ ká wà báyìí. Alpha, báwo ló yẹ sí? Ṣọlá. Ọlọ́run. Luma. Ó yá, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gọ́gọ́? Ta ló wà ń bẹ̀? Ó yá bá tẹ́sí. Tẹ́sí kó dùn. Ó yá, kò sí jókòó.
We didn't need tinkling of an eye.
No dirty moments like wow. Make everybody jai.
100 for you. 100 for you. 100 for you. 100 for you. Ọlọ́run. Kó lọ.
Jai lọ.
Play that thing. Louder.
This song, man like it.
Ó yá, ta ni control kí ni ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀?
I mean they in control. I mean they in charge.
Ó yá.
But that the pack of phone, my own. Just get what we like. Come on, boys.
Gege. Ọmọ ọlọ́run.
Go pay you. Oh, sir. I want live day. Shey you know sha. Hey.
Ẹ ṣayé lọ, ayé pé méjì. Ọgbẹ́ ẹ̀ta ṣàkẹ́lẹ̀ sí ọmọ ta ló tún kọ́ sí mi ìgbẹ́ tó kọ́. Èmi ni, ó yá, gbà síbẹ̀.
Ọgbẹ́ ẹ̀ta ṣàkẹ́lẹ̀ sí.
Gbà síbẹ̀. Wọ́n bí. Ó ti jó lọ.
Hey, more na enjoy.
Filẹ̀.
Enjoy. Ọba bọ̀ jẹ́ control. Make everybody enjoy.
Ọba bọ̀.
Àjẹ́ ewu ẹ̀ pàlà. Oya, wanna stand up. Wanna stand up. Oya, join us here.
Ẹ̀bọ̀.
Join us here.
One by one.
Hey, baby, come over.
Ẹ má bàbá mi jó o. Èmi láìkí obìnrin o. Gege. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ẹ má jà sọ́mọ náà.
I don't die. Lighter.
Oh baby. Just it.
I beg, pass me the lighter. I need lighter, I beg.
Where my baby?
I can't wait to have you.
Yay! Ó máa pa mí o.
Ọ̀pọ̀!
Oh, okay.
I don't die.
You don't do that. We survive. Okay.
Ọ̀gá ṣó ti jọ́gọ̀ ni. You don jọ́gọ̀. Sit down. Wetin you drink when you don dey sleep like this?
Hey, Jesus. See me see wahala. See me see wahala. Don't me. More. Who tell una say the paro dey sweet?
Allah say.
That's why they talk.
United.
Ìwádìí ìbàdí mi ń ṣòro dì mí. Mo dì mú mi báyìí.
Ẹ kọ́ mọ ẹ. Ẹ gbádùn.
Omo, since everywhere come quiet.
Why everywhere no go quiet? Shey you no know say dem your guys no dey hostel.
No wonder. Now where dem go save?
Me, I don't know. But now only God knows how much those guys go waste this night.
Now wetin you see?
Thank you. If you see the cars where they go rent,
As in cars where they go rent, come pack girls inside this hostel. You will fall. You sure say I no go clinch with these guys?
Clinch?
Yeah, nah. Me say one day spend, I want enter street now. I don't tire to dey drink garri, chop bread and beans. You understand now? I want enter street spend, make I be like those guys.
Ola. Now you tired of bread and beans, Abi. I will be very careful with you from now on.
See, guy, forget that one. No. If I make a feeling safe, you go enjoy life, or you go forget that was they talk.
Please, I don't need your enjoyment. Please.
Guys, we má fọ́ọ̀lì mi rárá ẹ wá máa lọ ẹjọ́ ìdílé wa máa lọ.
Hey, it's getting late. It's late already with time. Ẹ wá máa lọ now. Kí ni gbogbo eléyìí wọ lọ? Ah! What's all this? Oh my God. What are you guys doing? Come on, be going to your house. Smart. Please, can you just talk to Loverboy? You guys need to leave this place. I am begging you for crying out loud. Ah! What is calm down?
Go. It is late already. Like I'm 99.9 centigrade. Why? I can't drive tonight.
Like this, no go even go out because they go don't lock our gate. Nobody will open door for us.
Let me say why you when you want sleep because gate in the
What are you talking about? Is this your father's house? What will you be telling me that Ogbeni wa lo nile?
Oh boy, you no more
Smart! Can you please talk to Loverboy? You guys need to leave this place right now. I better enjoy now. Desperation
is real.
Oh my God.
What's this guy now?
Guys. Don't calm down. Now, I know if you go soft like this.
Then follow your friend talk.
We are all staying here tonight.
Bam!
Nobody is going nowhere.
Sorry, baby.
I can go inside. I'll go follow. Everybody, know now, jam now, guys, we are all staying here. Next time, jam now, say.
So many things that confuse me. Why you they do bad things? Good girl gone bad, good boy gone bad. Oh Lord have mercy. But we for many agba oh, but we for many agba. Ọmọ tá kọ́ tí kò gbẹ́kọ́.
See, Loverboy. The only thing I want to hear from you is say you guys are ready to leave this house. Please, Loverboy.
You see, I understand your point. But trust me, first thing tomorrow morning, we are going. And besides, your boys can come back home tonight again. Guy,
bro, something is wrong with this house. I don't know how I can explain to you.
What is wrong?
The thing they say, it be like say spirit dey inside this house. A lot of things has been happening and I can't even explain it.
You can't can't explain. So I just know there is spirit in this house. There is nothing in this house. I can't feel anything, bro. Yeah.
I invited you. So I was the one staying here since all this while. You don't know what an spirit one lay say.
Oh, you're making me feel like a fool. Like I don't know what I am doing or what I am saying.
You see, bro, sorry for making you feel that way.
Do you think I am drunk?
Don't get me wrong. That question I ask you.
Oh my goodness, me more anything now. Try to understand continue so.
Guy, you know what they saw here. You need to calm down.
Calm down.
Of course.
Say ma worry already you know. Ufonabi. Ma worry now.
Blimbli sọ fún mọ́ kí ṣe pé blimbli ti pa ná ní àbúrò nǹkan báyìí ò yé mi. Ká ṣe kó kò gbé kọjá ẹgbẹ́ blimbli àbòrò èmi náà kàn fáwọn bọ́yọ́ mọ́ ń bọ̀ mo ti mú ike márùn-ún ẹlẹ́kẹfà líle bá lórí bí mo kóra mi sílẹ̀. Ara mi ti dìde wà láàdé. Blimbli. Ha. Damn. Kini ìdí ẹ̀ tètè rọ̀ àbí kí n kúrò àmì sí báyìí wọ́n náà kúrò pẹ̀ sí irú ọmọ. Blimbli. I'm okay with this. Blimbli. Saragiri. Bí adìẹ bá lù yẹ pì ara rẹ̀ mọ́ saragiri. Kiri tún dìde ni kò saragiri. Ilé aṣẹ́wó jìnnà sí bí wà láti. Ṣé màá rìn sí láti bí dé ìràgbé ìjì ni? Mi ò ní lè sọ tó máa ṣe wà.
Ìṣòro làwọn lè ti ẹ̀ pa lọ. Níbi. I'm tired. Babe, what are you doing here? What's wrong with this thing now? Come on now. I told you I'm on.
This is not a stress person. We can't chop.
Come on, you are such a dirty boy. Show me shaking it. Okay, Do you know what? To cut the story short, in the next 2 days, we are getting shit.
Hey, 2 days, well, babe, come.
I'll call you by then. No, baby, stop. Baby, stop now. Baby, stop. Calm down. Hey, listen. Okay, do you know what? Calm down. Baby, calm down. Listen. Baby. Baby, go stop now. You feel shake my look. Baby, calm down. Sure, Sherry. Smart! Smart, stand up now! Did you finish? Come and do what she? Come and do, Smart! Ha! Somebody help me! Smart! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Wake up, guys! Guys, wake up! Wake up! Please come inside! Come inside! Come inside! Somebody help! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
Guys, see, my friend say, this we go talk. If people ask about him.
Exactly my fear. So.
Truly, they ask us about him, but we don't need to nurse any fear.
Bro, wait, how do you mean?
We will tell them that he said it's going on.
Wait a minute, guys. Who has his phone?
I left it in his pocket before we bury him.
You my boy. You are such a criminal. I swear.
Criminal. I need to save our house. When you guys are busy crying like a fowl.
Hey guys, do you know the time your neighbor will come from their party?
I think it's 2:30. Yes.
2:30. Yes. To those guys. You just the waka for night anyhow.
Oh, what is my own business there? Sure, you even see person they cry as they enter the compound.
You know their way now. If you don't drag one game, go away the one weekend.
It's true, sure. You yourself na bad boy. If not for God in your life. You are a bad boy, Jerry.
I don't be bad, I just want to think in their soul. People they, you know, now those guys they spend money, they enjoy life.
Okay, I don't hear you. Guy, I don't do it.
Have our guys.
Yeah, bro.
Food on day, yo. Waiting don't suck, bro.
Shina, better than busy, but John. I'm very sorry.
Oga, no be na talk say we no dey eat. Waiting don't sup, bro.
Baba, waiting they follow me cow. She make food come with like that.
Which food go waste?
Baba boy. Make una remain food for me, abeg o.
See this one. You dey craze. Make food remain food for you. Make go remain food for you. Okay, I continue now. May you continue now. May you go meet the guy wey don die. Madman. Oga, calm down.
Why you dey shout?
Na me get the 3 fish. Na me. Hey, wait. When it comes to food, I no dey joke. Oga.
Alaye can't. Waiting this one dey come.
I still born my guy, but I'ma go chop.
In fact, the Yoruba said sweet. The bread can't stop. Everywhere can't collapse. The Yoruba said go sweet.
But no, you do this selfish. Sure you know that.
Me, you dey crazy.
Selfish.
If you touch the fish,
don't even dey shy to talk and say
if you touch the fish,
Baba, I know the funny.
Okay, I know the joke. I know the joke with
Baba,
food.
And I comment.
Don't talk to my
Okay. There's no don't die. Me, I know the.
No, me.
Okay now.
Hold on.
Today's class, Me too. If not because of the biscuit I shared with my friends in class, I might not be able to finish that lecture. I swear, I'm very, very hungry. Seriously hungry.
Ṣọ́mọ ni wọ́n mọ ìbáyìí. Ṣé ó dìgbà tí ìyẹn bá tó kú kó tó wálé ni?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ta ló ń sọ̀rọ̀? Kí ló ṣe mọ́mì mi?
Lóòótọ́ la mọ̀ pé ilé ìwé ló wà. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣe bí wàá dẹ̀ fowó oògùn ránṣẹ́. Ó dáa, ṣe ni kó pè mí padà o. Mo yá fóònù yìí fi pè ní. Okay, ó dàbọ̀.
Oyin, what happened?
Someone just called me now that my mom is not fine.
Oh, that's serious.
Please, help me with your phone to call back.
I told you now, I don't have call cards since yesterday. What are you going to do now? Let's get home first.
Okay, ma. Ma, what ma ṣe arrange owó yẹn?
A lọ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀, ma.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Right.
So, are you done with the phone?
Yes, thank you. Just in my house, like.
Oh,
yeah.
Sorry, I eavesdropped your conversation.
Okay.
So tell me, how do you intend to raise the money?
Like seriously, I really don't know where to run to.
Well, you don't have to run to anywhere when you have me.
Thank you so much for your concern. I can't live your kind of lifestyle.
Oyin. So, meaning you really considered me a bad person, right?
No. I mean, I asked myself, like, why will a beautiful girl like you be doing this kind of shit?
Oyin, come with me.
So many things that confuse me.
Oh, babe. Yeah. Oh, Queen. My daughter. Hope you're good.
See? Just...
Do you love my outfit?
Definitely. You're looking excellent.
Hey. Yeah, thank you so much, babe.
Darling.
Yeah.
Don't forget what you promised me.
No. I didn't. So I will do that immediately I return from my trip.
I trust you.
Okay. All right, let me be on my way.
Yeah.
Yes, baby. My baby.
Take care.
Yeah, I love you so.
I love you too.
Take good care of yourself.
Love you so much.
Take good care of my daughters, okay?
Definitely.
Bye. 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 I love you.
Love you too.
Are you true?
Yes, mommy.
Wow.
Daddy. Daddy.
How are you? My daughter, Ewa. How are you?
Dad, what about the money you promised me?
Morning. But I've told you that I will send it to your account. Of course. Yeah, that's my girl. Queen.
Yes, Daddy.
I know your reaction. Don't worry. I will do as well. Okay?
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, that's my girl.
You know I love you.
I love you, ma. All right.
That's my
Dad.
girls. All right,
Drive
bye-bye.
safe, please.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Night girls. Bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Yeah.
Goodness. Never knew you came from such a happy and wealthy home. Continue, please. Queen, why are you crying? What happened?
My dad stepped out on that fateful day, not knowing he wants to return.
Have you taken your drugs? Don't worry, it will start working now. Ele?
I am having pain all over my body.
Oh my kilo Shien. You'll be okay. But your temperature is high. And your hand is cold. What do I do now? Ele? It is so good.
Sorry.
Sorry, dear. Shika. Lily. Shika, doctor. How is she feeling? How is she feeling?
Madam, I cannot tell you how she's feeling. I must be sincere with you. We have lost her.
Lost what? You lost what? Doctor, mommy, calm down. Doctor, check. Mommy, calm down. Doctor, wait, lost. You can't lost her. Mama Lere. Don't do this. You're my only sister. Mama Lere, please don't do this. Mama Lere. Look at me. Doctor, please check her, please. Look at me. See me. Mama Lere. Doctor, please. See, I'm talking to you. Mama Lere, please don't leave me. What do you mean? Mommy, please calm down. Wait. Mama Lere. My
You mean you went through all this?
The shock of my sister's death affected my mother.
Your mom is suffering from hypertension.
Doctor, please, you've said that before. What can we do? Our condition is getting worse.
I must tell you the sincere truth. There's nothing we can do. All we can do is to get her a medication that costs 1.22 million.
1.2 million?
Yeah.
Doctor!
Please help me. I don't want to die. It could be Odala.
Mom, you won't die. In Jesus' name, you won't die.
Madam, you cannot die, but when you stick to the medication and you start using the drug, you will not die.
Mom, it's fine, you won't die. Mom, what can we do? 1.2 million. 1.2 million, Mom. How do we get that?
Just save my life. Save my life, please.
Okay, this is what we will do, Mom. Let's sell one of Daddy's property. Yes. Yes, Mommy.
Just save my life.
Your health is important, Mom. It's fine, Mommy. You won't die. You won't die.
Koye, what is your friend's name?
Bella.
Bella. See, Bella, this is my friend, Larry.
Hi.
Oh, Beton. You don't dey fuck up.
Ah.
Larry Sheton.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. See, would you call him Larry Shetan or Shetan Larry? Oh my shit. Oh my God, only staircase. Look. You understand? Trust me, you will enjoy his treat. And I want you to make him feel good.
All right.
Come to daddy.
You understand now, babe?
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Where?
Let's excuse them now.
Excuse who? Bella is your friend. Why Larry is my friend.
So?
We are doing here together. We have to enjoy everything here together.
Ruben.
Larry.
Like here.
Yes. No. If you do two, fuck up. 4. You can be here, then we will be here. At times, we change.
Ruben. Now soon I do for you.
Really?
I'm telling you. You go Shamulu Abi. I mean that.
Hey!
Tí kò gbẹ̀kọ́ ló gbélé ta kọ́ta.